pixie cuts with a little Johnny Bravo in the front.
Tell me where you been. Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you that?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Octavia, aka Double O Styles, and welcome back. We are doing another Outre wig. This time we are going short, a sleek pixie cut look, and we're gonna do a color red. I'm so excited because red is the best color ever, and we're gonna get right into it. So this is an Outre Perfect Hairline, fully hand-tied 13x4 lace wig, and her name is Blaze in the color Red Velvet. I'm excited because, first off, you already know, what if you don't know, I love short wigs. I love me a good pixie wig because I really low-key want to cut my real hair, but I'm a little nervous, so my safe route is to just get the wig, and there go my cut right there. And I just love freaking red. I really do, okay? So this is our card. This is our card, Blaze. And we have how to pre-customize perfection of the wig on this side. And then this is basically saying a fully hand-tied 13x4 frontal, ear-to-ear, soft, HD, transparent lace. Natural baby hairs come with pre-elastic elastic band, pre-plucked hairline, and heat styling friendly. Life isn't perfect, but your hair can be. And it comes in many different colors. But like I said, red is the best color. So let's go ahead and open up our package, our present package. So this is our wig, beautiful color red. This is our lace in the front. We have two combs in the front. Two combs in the front. One in the back. And our elastic band. And this is our lace, 13x4 lace, meaning I can part anywhere within this lace part and have a good little part going for myself, you know? Okay, so I switched my cap. And then while I was switching the cap, I just went on and cut the lace. So, on we go. Let me tell you right now. I love it already. I didn't even do nothing to it. But the potential, and you see how this thing is just like, it's already given to where it just looks like it's just coming from my scalp. What? Perfect hairline? Did you really mean it? I think so. I honestly don't think I need glue because I was about to spray this down, but I don't think I need glue because it's gonna stay put. The grip on my head is giving it's gonna stay put. And the combs are holding it down for you, girl. Okay, let me see. Let me get a comb. Look at that. Look at that part. Stop playing with it. Stop playing with it. This is like super sleek and it's super soft. It's the color alone is just given for me. As you can see, they got the swoopity swoops, but she got this thing pulled back. Do I want mine pulled back? No. Nah, I want it swoopity swoopty. I want it swoopity swoopty. I'm about to spray a little bit on here because this one keep lifting up, showing the lace a little bit. Let me spray. I didn't mean to get it on the hair. I mean the hair gonna get hard. Oh! Let it dry. Okay. So, overall, I love it. I love how it's giving style and flavor and bounce to it. And the hair is really soft. I like how I can just move it around, play with it. And it to how I want to get it. I don't know exactly how I want to wear it yet though. That's the thing about it. I don't think I want to wear it like this. I need something else. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to do it like this because I like the swoop, but I don't want it in my face like that. You know what I mean? But this color is everything for me. And this wig was super easy. The roots is giving. You could change it up how you want to. You know what I'm saying? The parts is giving very much natural. The flips is giving. You see that hair. You see that hair. But I'm going to keep it on this side. I love it. Shout out to Outre for the red velvet cake. That's what her name may be. Red velvet cake. But then again, I love Blaze. This name for this wig is perfect. Blaze. Because it gives like an edginess to it. And this hair is giving edgy. And the color? And the color, red velvet? And for the color name? Y'all did that. Y'all did that. You are the bomb, okay? You are giving bomb.com, okay? Okay. With my Johnny Bravo hair in the way. With my Johnny Bravo little swoop in the way. And I know that you don't want to stay. And I know you want to give it life. But I know you got a bigger fight. At least I'm wrong. The world needs to see me in this one. In the best color ever. I think I said all that needed to be said about this one. So if you have any questions or something I just didn't cover, I just feel like I covered everything because this wig is so short, complete, sleek, to the point. I just don't know what else to tell y'all because this wig is very on point, okay? If you have any questions, like I said, let me know in the comments. And I will see you guys next time. Peace. And stay tuned for my pictures at the end of the video.
Dets is on the beat.